Four Aces Entertainment, Sipper Sports Bar, and Melissa from Club Faces presents the Sexy and Grown Good Friday and the grand reopening of Sipper Sports Bar. New drinks, new sounds, new look.
And don't forget our famous patio for chilling.
Friday, April 18th, Good Friday, hosted by yours truly, Rob Lloyd, from Mix 101.9, along with our girl, Angela Love. Special live performances by Ricky White. Singing from his hit CD, Sexy.
DJ Cool and Slick Rick on the ones and twos.
Kicking this thing off at 9 to 2 a.m. And oh yeah, there's a big birthday celebration going on for Keith Blakes. Sponsored by Big Wallace, King of Wings, Big Mike Production, Eat Greedy Entertainment, Mo Better Details, and Party Starters. Prizes to the lucky. If you ain't grown, stay at home.